Hey Naija, are you ready to supercharge your income in 2025? Today, I'm revealing how you can make money fast in Nigeria by leveraging digital side hustles and launching local businesses with just 200,000 naira. Whether you want to work online or start a physical business, stay tuned for detailed insights, actionable tips, and real-life success stories that will transform your hustle. Welcome to our channel, the ultimate resource for Nigerian entrepreneurs and hustlers. In this video, we're diving deep into two major income streams: digital side hustles and low-capital local business ideas. I'll explain proven strategies like dropshipping, freelancing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and gig economy jobs. Then, I'll share 15 local business ideas you can start with 200k naira, from food kiosks and clothing dropshipping to tutoring and mini importation. If you're ready to level up your financial game, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First up, let's explore digital side hustles that are thriving in Nigeria. These opportunities allow you to work from anywhere and tap into global markets while still catering to local needs. Leverage Nigeria's vibrant fashion and beauty scene by dropshipping locally sourced products like trendy clothing, wigs, and accessories. By partnering with local manufacturers or wholesalers, you can sell products on platforms such as Jumia, Konga, or even Instagram without holding any inventory. Use keywords like dropshipping Nigeria, Naija dropshipping cloths, and Nigerian wig dropshipping to drive targeted traffic and build your brand. If you have skills in graphic design, content writing, programming, or digital marketing, freelancing is a goldmine. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to work with clients worldwide. Nigerian freelancers are earning serious naira by leveraging their unique cultural insights and local expertise. Remember, building a strong portfolio and networking through local professional groups can help you secure higher-paying gigs. Create blogs, YouTube videos, or social media content to promote products that resonate with Nigerian consumers. Whether it's fashion, tech, or lifestyle products, affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions on every sale without any upfront costs. Focus on Affiliate Marketing Nigeria and Naija Content Creator as your primary keywords to capture local interest. Social media is a powerful tool in Nigeria. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to build a personal brand or manage local businesses' social profiles. Create engaging content that taps into Nigerian culture. Think Nollywood, local music, and trending Naija lifestyles. This not only increases your online presence but also opens doors to sponsorships and brand deals. Join the growing gig economy by taking on flexible jobs like ride-hailing, food delivery, or micro-tasks through local apps. These opportunities provide immediate cash flow and require minimal startup investment. Emphasize platforms that support local payment systems such as Paystack and Flutterwave, and search for terms like Naija Gig Economy and Quick Cash Nigeria. Comment below which digital hustle excites you the most. Now, let's shift gears and look at local business ideas you can start with just 200k naira. These ventures require low capital and focus on high-demand sectors in Nigeria. Set up a kiosk selling popular Nigerian snacks like puff puff, akara, buns, or boiled corn. Strategic placement in high-foot traffic areas can yield quick returns. Use local flavors and affordable pricing to attract customers. Keywords: small food kiosk Nigeria, snack business 200k Nigeria. Take your food business on the road by selling meals to office workers and students. Mobility allows you to tap into different market areas, increasing your customer base. Keywords: mobile food vendor Nigeria, food truck business Nigeria. Capitalize on the growing health trend by offering freshly made juices and smoothies. Focus on quality ingredients and vibrant presentations to stand out in local markets. Keywords: juice stand Nigeria, smoothie business 200k Nigeria. Sell affordable clothing and accessories that feature Naija-inspired designs. Dropshipping locally can minimize overheads while offering trendy products. Keywords: clothing business Nigeria, Naija fashion dropshipping. Tap into the thriving thrift market by trading in fairly used clothes and shoes. This sustainable business idea caters to cost-conscious consumers. Offer popular and fast-moving skin and beauty products. Focus on high-quality items that resonate with local beauty standards. Keywords: beauty products business Nigeria, skincare startup Nigeria. Start a cleaning service targeting homes and small offices. Focus on reliability and excellent customer service to build a loyal client base. Keywords: cleaning service Nigeria, home cleaning business 200K. Launch a laundry service with basic equipment for washing and ironing. This is a high-demand service in urban areas. Keywords: laundry business Nigeria, laundry service startup. Provide academic tutoring or skill-based training. Leverage online platforms or in-person sessions to reach students who need extra help. Keyword: start with a few chickens for egg production. This low-capital venture can grow as demand for eggs increases in local markets. Keywords: poultry business Nigeria, egg production startup Nigeria. Grow fast-maturing vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or peppers. Focus on urban farming techniques to supply fresh produce locally. Keywords: small-scale farming Nigeria, vegetable farming startup. Produce homemade soaps and detergents. This business can be highly profitable with the right marketing strategy. Keywords: soap business Nigeria, detergent production startup. If you have sewing skills, start a tailoring business making ready-to-wear clothes or even maternity gowns for antenatal centers. Personalization and quality will set you apart. Keywords: tailoring business Nigeria, sewing startup Nigeria. Import small items like gadgets and fashion accessories for resale. Focus on high-demand, trending products that can fetch quick sales. Keywords: mini importation Nigeria, import business 200K. Enhance your digital side hustle by offering freelance services locally. Combine your digital skills with traditional business methods for extra income. Keywords: freelance business Nigeria. Start freelancing Nigeria. This platform is designed to reward engagement and encourage community building. You earn points for every interaction and redeem them for cash, prizes, and more. You can join now and start thriving by visiting their website, www.mayasworld.com.ng. Which 200K business idea are you most excited to try? Comment below. Before diving in, do thorough market research to understand local demand, competition, and pricing. Budget every expense to ensure your 200K covers startup and operational costs. If you're starting offline, choose locations with high foot traffic. Online, optimize your presence on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or local e-commerce sites. Remember, challenges like inconsistent internet, payment issues, or stiff competition are common. Build a support network with fellow entrepreneurs and use tools like Google Trends and local keyword research to refine your strategy. Trust that every setback is a learning opportunity. At 1730, prompt viewers. Subscribe for more practical tips and share your biggest business challenge in the comments. Let's take inspiration from real-life success stories. Many Nigerian entrepreneurs started with minimal capital and grew their ventures into profitable businesses by combining innovation with persistence. Whether it's a digital hustle or a 200K business, the key is to diversify your income streams, continuously learn, and adapt to market trends. Invest in your skills through online courses and never underestimate the power of networking. That's it for today's ultimate guide to digital side hustles and 200K business ideas in Nigeria for 2025. I hope you're now inspired and equipped with the strategies to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more actionable Naija business tips. Drop your thoughts, questions, and progress in the comments below. Let's build a thriving community of Nigerian entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in 2025.